Hello artists! Today we are going to create a butterfly and we're going to use symmetry to make sure that it is equal on both sides. So when things are equal on both sides, it's symmetrical. The first thing we're going to do is draw a circle for the butterfly's head. For the body, we're going to draw a triangle that comes right from the circle. So it kind of looks like an ice cream cone with one scoop of ice cream. Next, we'll draw a horizontal line through the ice cream cone, and we're going to draw a wing going up. It could be pointed or rounded. I'm going to make mine go around and back to that butterfly's belt. The next side, I'm going to go up, kind of give it an eye to make sure these are lined up, and go right back down to the butterfly's belt. Next, for the bottom wings, I'm going to go out from that butterfly's belt and down and back out again and curve it down and back again. So now I should have a symmetrical set of wings. Now on to my favorite part, the antennas. I'm going to make them curly and opposite side curly the opposite direction. For the eyes, I'm going to make a half circle with another half circle. It could be the pupil of the eye, a half circle, and another half circle. And a little U for a smiley face and two little U's on the ends for its cheeks. And I'm going to add more horizontal lines just for fun to make it have a striped belly. And now for the patterns on the wings. Each wing is going to have the same pattern so it stays symmetrical. So on this one, I'm going to start with a circle. I'd add a circle here. If I make a medium-sized circle, I'd make a medium-sized circle here. If I make a tiny circle, a tiny one on the other side. An even tinier circle, an even tinier circle on the other side. And my last one is going to just be a dot. Now from there, maybe I would do more circles or a different shape. I'm going to choose a triangle and another triangle and another triangle. And I made them large, medium, and small. On this side, I'll do the same thing. Large triangle, medium triangle, and small. And for the bottom, I'm going to try making patterns. Patterns are when you repeat something like a shape or a line until it turns into what they call a pattern. So I made 4 lines that are now a striped pattern. And I did it on the right side, so I did it on the left. Maybe I'd make a zigzag line about 3 times. And this zigzag line will now be, well, I'll do it 4 times. How's that? It'll now be a pattern because I repeated it. Repeating patterns, zigzags are fun. So now that I have all the areas of my wings patterned and shaped beautifully, now I get to choose the colors I want for my butterfly. You might pick reds, orange, and yellows and make it warm colors. You might pick blues, greens, and purples and make it cool colors. Or maybe you would add all the colors of the rainbow. But whatever you do, make sure you put the same purple on the background that you do on this side, or blue and blue. Make sure that your symmetry even goes through with your colors. Make sure your colors are the same on the right and the left, whatever colors you choose. You can use crayons, colored pencils, markers, whatever works for you. I hope you have a great time making a wonderful symmetrical butterfly.